Hey cool guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to try to create YouTube banner in the most fastest and easiest way. So let's get started. First download this PSD file, link in the description. Then open Affinity. Click this plus icon, select cloud, then get the downloaded PSD file. First go to layer option and turn off the last two layers. Click this plus icon to create fill layer. You can always change the color of this fill layer. Bring down the fill layer above the guides group. Then you can start bringing your other photos to add on the banner. You can always bring photos from any of the source like photos or cloud. If you want to bring any object specifically from image, then go to selection persona. Oh, first of all, if your photo is in image format, then turn it into pixel layer. Get a smart selection tool and start making selection. Apply a refine selection. With the selection, go back to photo persona and duplicate the selection. Select the move tool and adjust our new layer. Anytime you can erase your desired part. If you want to bring more stuffs, then repeat the same process. Bring all new layers down to the bar layer. Anytime you can adjust the size or place. Just keep in mind this middle area is for a smartphone. This whole middle area is for desktop and this total area is for TV. Want to keep more information here because most of the people use YouTube in a smartphone. You can also add here Instagram or something like that. Finally, we're going to write our channel name at top. Here you can also change the color. Make a duplicate of our text layer to create shadow. Feel free to use all your time to make it perfect. You can also add blur to make it smooth. Link your social media here in this corner. And here we're done. Just keep one thing in mind that this is for a smartphone, this is for desktop, and whole area for TV. Click here to export. Everything is fine. You don't need to change anything. Sorry, you forgot to turn on the fill layer. Repeat the same process and save the file. Let's check it. See, we don't have any bar or distraction. Everything looks fine. Alright guys, that's for today. Thank you so much for giving your time.